how to change the time zone in Facebook Ads Manager. Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change the time zone in Facebook Ads Manager. Alright, so let's begin. First, open Facebook in your browser. Once you are on the Facebook homepage, open a new tab in the same browser and navigate to Facebook Ads Manager. You can do this by searching for Facebook Ads Manager in the search bar and clicking the first link that appears in the search results. Here, click on the profile icon located in the top right corner of the page to ensure you are logged in. If you are not already logged in, enter your login details to access your account. Next, click on the Start Now button to begin. Once you are in your Ads Manager, on the left panel of the Ads Manager, find and click on the Billing and Payments option. In the Billing and Payments section, click on Payment Settings. Here you will see various settings related to your payment methods and billing information. Look for the option to edit your settings and click on Edit. In the Edit Settings window, you will find the option to change your time zone. Select the time zone you want from the drop-down menu. After you have chosen the correct time zone, click on Save to apply the changes. Now your time zone in Facebook Ads Manager has been successfully updated. So that's basically how you can change the time zone in Facebook Ads Manager. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.